Assalamu alaikum students. Today we are going to read about the landforms. First of all, we will see what is a landform. The portion which forms land on Earth's surface is not the same everywhere. At some places the land may be too high, at some places very low. Some areas would be lush green and certain areas are dry and barren. Our planet Earth is a beautiful collaboration of various physical features. These different physical features are called the various landforms on the surface of the Earth. These are geographical features that control the ecosystem, climate, weather, and the essence of life on Earth. In simple terms, we say that any shape on the Earth's surface is known as a landform. The various landforms that we have came into existence due to natural processes such as erosion, wind, rain, weather conditions such as ice, frost, and chemical actions. Natural events and disasters such as earthquakes and eruption of volcanoes created the various shapes of the land that we see. Now we will see the different major landforms. First landform is mountain. A mountain is a large landform that rises above the surrounding land in a limited area, usually in the form of a peak. A mountain is generally steeper than a hill. Mountains are formed through tectonic forces or volcanism. These forces can locally raise the surface of the earth. There are different types of mountains: volcanic mountains, block mountains, and fold mountains. Hills. A hill is a landform that extends above the surrounding terrain and often has a distinct summit, although in areas with a scarp or dip topography, a hill may refer to the particular section of flat terrain without a massive summit. Valley. Valleys are elongate depressions of Earth's surface. Valleys are most commonly drained by rivers and may occur in a relatively flat plain or between ranges of hills or mountains. Those valleys are produced by tectonic actions are called rift valleys. Very narrow, deep valleys of similar appearance are called gorges. Plateau. A plateau is a flat area of land that is elevated above sea level. Most plateaus are found in areas of tectonic uplift, which is often, but not always, associated with mountain ranges, but they can form in other ways as well. Plain. A plain is a flat, sweeping landmass that generally does not change much in elevation. Plains occur as lowlands along valleys or on the doorsteps of mountains, as coastal plains, and as plateaus or uplands. Islands. An island or isle is any piece of subcontinental land that is surrounded by water. Very small islands, such as emergent land features on atolls, can be called islets, skerries, cays, or keys. An island in a river or a lake island may be called an eyot or ait, and a small island off the coast may be called a holm. Deserts. A desert is a barren area of landscape where little precipitation occurs and consequently living conditions are hostile for plant and animal life. The lack of vegetation exposes the unprotected surface of the ground to the process of denudation. There are two types of deserts: hot desert, cold desert. Thank you for watching, students.